Alright guys, this is my 2005 Wrangler Unlimited. This is the Rubicon. It's also got the 6-speed manual. Been looking for one of these for a few years, and about a year ago it popped up. Kind of had to jump on the deal. It's got a basic lift on there, 2.5 inches, some 33-inch tires. Went ahead and put the best top doors on for the summertime, as well as put the new, I believe that's the Trek top, bowless top. Rear bumper here, something that was on there from the previous owner. Kind of a big fan of it. Not sure who builds it, but nice simple design. But what I liked about it was the addition of the protection for the quarter panels, just because this does have a long wheelbase, so those are longer. Plan for this one, I've got some 37-inch Maxxis tires. I picked up some ATX beadlocks. We're gonna leave the suspension about how it is, may throw an extra like 3-inch spring on. And then I've got some metal cloak overline fenders coming, both front and rear, as well as their matching rocker guards. This is that Fab Fours bumper. It was on from the previous owner. Just put some fresh paint on there, and then added the worn winch with a new synthetic line. And we'll take a look underneath the Jeep. Alright, now as we take a look underside, a couple of things that are on the Jeep. When I first got it, it had a bad U-joint in the front axle. I decided if I was going to take it apart, I would go ahead and put in some 10 factory chromoly shafts. I also added the outer seals as well. Well, I had it apart, figured I'd go and throw some diff guards on. This is a Poison Spider one. This one's actually going to be removed here in a couple weeks as we get some hydro steering that I'd like to mount off the diff covers himself. JKS quick disconnects. Who knows what power steering box protector. Does have a aftermarket tie rod. This one's got factory ends. Not sure who makes it. Got some machine marks on there, so not a homebrew kit, I would imagine, but nice little upgrade. Again, we're going to be pulling that off. I've got some Curry steering coming in, and then we do have a adjustable front track bar. Looks to me like maybe a JKS one. Not 100% sure, as it was on there from the previous owner. Moving our way back, factory drive shafts. We do have a tummy tuck. Again, not sure what brand it is, but a nice little feature to add on. Saves me some money from having to buy one. And of course, with the Rubicon, we've got the factory air pumps for the lockers sitting here. I am going to be doing a quick brief kind of how-to on these, as we do have the front locker is not working. We've got an air pressure loss, so my guess is dry rotted hoses. Rear suspension, again, we've got a 2.5-inch OME lift that's on here. Some sort of fixed control arms on the rear lowers. Uppers are the factory kind of stamped steel. And on the way back, again, I put a Poison Spider diff cover on. We will retain that in the rear, along with our 513 gears that are going to be here shortly. Front suspension, I don't think I noted, was the same fixed lower control arms. Not sure of a brand. And then on the uppers, we do have an adjustable with rubber bushings. Again, we're going to be pulling those off. I've got 8 Savvy aluminum control arms coming. And that's kind of the look at the underside of the Jeep. Stay tuned as we get her built.